Good morning. I don't even think you can just about see my face. Today we are gardening. Wish me luck. That's it. All the gardening done. Me and my scarecrow outfit. I'm going to have a bath, put a face mask on, and I need to pick an outfit for tomorrow because I'm on Jewelry Maker and it's a Halloween show and I haven't really prepped for that. So I'm going to have to cobble together a costume. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you on Thursday. I've got a lovely little haul to show you, and I've got a couple of lookbooks coming. God, I can't even speak. Lookbooks coming up soon. So thank you so much for watching. You look after yourselves, look after everybody else. The world is your catwalk, and you stay stylishly safe now. Bye.